Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone camera is blurry and autofocus, then do the following step to fix this issue if it's not a hardware issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. If already updated, then in general scroll, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. If none of these is not working, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, the next step is we have to launch settings, scroll, find and tap on camera. Under camera, you will get an option macro control. Enable this option if it's disabled. If already enabled, then disable, wait for a couple of seconds or 30 seconds, enable back. After that, we have to tap on preserve setting. Under preserve setting, you also have an option macro control. Enable this option as well. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.